Hi there, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about MyPlate, and we'll talk about how each food group helps to keep us healthy and strong. This picture shows you a plate with 5 food groups. We have grains, fruits, vegetables, protein, and dairy. All of these food groups do something different in our body. How about if we explore them together? Come on, let's go. Our first food group are grains. Grains give our body energy so we can do things like run, jump, play, and study. Some examples of foods that are grains are things like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread. What are some of your favorite kind of grains? Vegetables and fruits help our bodies to grow and work properly. They help us to see better, keep our hearts healthy, and our brains strong. And there's so much more that they do for us. Some delicious examples of fruits and vegetables are blueberries, strawberries, bananas, carrots, peppers, tomatoes, and more. I'm curious, what are some of your favorite fruits and vegetables? Next, let's talk about protein. Protein helps our muscles to grow strong. Some examples of proteins are chicken, eggs, fish, tofu, nuts, and beans. Sounds delicious. The last food group we'll talk about is dairy. Dairy helps our bones to grow strong. You probably have dairy every single day. Can you guess what foods have dairy? That's right. Things like cheese, yogurt, milk, and soy milk, these are all great examples of dairy. Now, who's excited to make a fun afternoon snack? I know I am. Here's a list of some things to get to make your sandwich. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a spider and an owl sandwich. Now to do this, you're going to need 4 slices of bread, 2 for the owl and 2 for the spider. Now we're going to start with the owl, so you're going to take some nut butter and you're going to spread it around on the 2 slices of bread. And once you do that, you're going to take your slices of bread and squish them together to make a sandwich. Then you're going to start peeling off the crust. Now the crust is what we're going to use to make your owl's wings. Now you can make your owl have really small wings or really big wings, it doesn't matter. And then as you see, that what I'm doing is I'm taking a little piece of the bread out, and it's going to make your owl have some ears. And next you can just put the wings next to the owl's body. And then we're going to start giving your owl a face. So I decided to use half of a strawberry as his nose, and then I'm going to use 2 slices of banana and 2 pieces of blueberries to make his eyes. And there's your little owl sandwich. Next, we're going to make the spider sandwich, and you're going to need 2 slices of bread and also a jar. Now the jar is what we're going to use to make your spider have a circular body instead of a square body like the owl. Now you're going to take the jar and you're going to push really, really hard onto it, and it's going to make a circle into the bread. Now once you do that with both slices of bread, you're going to take some nut butter and you're going to spread it around onto the 2 or 1, you're going to spread it around onto the 2 pieces, on the 2 pieces of bread. And then once you do that, you're going to squish them into a sandwich like we did with the owl. And then to make your spider have legs, we're going to use pretzel sticks. I decided to give my spider 6 legs, but you can give him however many legs as you want. And you're going to take the pretzel sticks and you're going to stick them into the side of the spider. And then you can use whatever fruit you want, but I used blueberries, and I'm gonna use them to make his eyes. And there's your little spider sandwich. Now, with these sandwiches, the bread provides the grain food group, the nut butter would give you protein, the strawberry, bananas, and blueberries would give you fruit, but if you wanted to add a vegetable, you could use carrot for a nose instead of strawberries like you would a snowman. And if you wanted to have the dairy food group also, you can just have a glass of milk.